Hello everyone, thank you for watching our video. Welcome to the Pooka Bean and Company channel. We're very excited. This is our first video that we're uploading to the channel, so please subscribe. So we decided to make a video. We wanted to see if we could color Rapunzel's hair using food coloring. And I mean regular household food coloring, nothing else. So what we're going to do is start by detangling Rapunzel's hair. We have Pooka Bean taking care of that for us. You detangle it. You're going to have to do this step a few times throughout the process, but it helps the process go a little smoother if you detangle it. So she's going to detangle it with the Barbie brush. You may want to use a regular size comb. It helps. So she has it all smoothed out, detangled at this point. And the next step, what she's going to do is she's going to section the hair and put clips. So use whatever you have at home. Nothing fancy, nothing formal. Rapunzel is not a paying client, so she doesn't get the special treatment. So here we have Pooka Bean sectioning the hair, and she's going to clip it because we're going to color each section of the hair a different color. We're going for a rainbow unicorn type theme for Rapunzel's hair. So we're all done with sectioning the hair. You can make as many sections as you want, as many colors as you want. It's totally up to you. What we're going to do is use like I said, a regular household out the grocery store food coloring, McCormick, neon colors, purple, a lime green, a pink, and a blue. That's just what we had in the counter left over from a birthday party. So we just want to see. So as you see, I lined the counter with aluminum foil just to kind of keep the mess to a minimum. Please use gloves or your hands will turn out to be unicorn rainbow colors as well. This is the blue, which is my favorite color. And I'm just going to try to work that through. I'm going to use quite a bit because I really want this to be saturated. So just bear with me here. And again, this is this is not a professional process. This is totally for fun, and I just wanted you guys to see, like I wanted to see, if this would really work on a doll's hair with food coloring. And I've seen some other people, and I've heard some other people say, use vinegar, it helps it stay in there, but I just wanted to use plain food coloring just to see if it would work. So let's see. I'm trying to use as much food coloring as I can, not wasting any of that. And I'm going to color each section a different color. And again, this is the last section. And since blue is my favorite color, I decided to do 2 sections of blue. Please excuse the camera moving so much. Pooka Bean wanted to be the camera person, so that's why the camera's moving a whole bunch. And again, this is just for fun. We'll get a little more professional as we make more videos and upload more videos, but this right here was just fun, spur of the moment, and something that we wanted to share with you all, just in case you have a little girl that wants to color one of her Barbie doll's hair. And FYI, you definitely have to use a doll who has light colored hair to begin with. This is not going to work on a doll that has black hair or brown hair. The hair color has to be light to begin with in order for this to work. So here's the last strand of hair. I'm going to put a clip on it. I'm going to let it sit for a while. I actually let this sit for an hour or more. My intentions were to let it sit for about 30 minutes, but to be honest, I started watching Transformers, but an hour later, we were ready to rinse it. And I'm going to speed this section up because I wanted you guys to see the full process. So this section is a little lengthy, so I tried to speed it up. And I'm using cold water to rinse it, no soap. And I'm just going to rinse until the water runs clear, and make sure that when she plays with the doll later, she won't get any dye on her hands. The water, again, is cold. I didn't want to use warm. I've seen videos where people were saying that if you use hot water on a Barbie doll's hair, that the glue will melt in her head and then the hair would become gummy or thick and weird. So cold water, rinse. And we rinsed it for a while just to see how much color would come out. I was thinking all the color would actually come out. Some did come out. It looks like the lime green or that neon green didn't take at all. That washed right out. But as you can see, the other colors are holding strong. It looks pretty awesome. I must say we were pretty excited to see that. So far it's working. And again, I wanted to really rinse it just to see if it would come out. So the water is clear, it's rinsed well, it's not on my hands, so we're done. We're gonna pat, I did a pat dry, and you'll see Pooka Bean is going to detangle it once again while it's damp. Look at those colors, they're so awesome. We were so excited about this. So there's Pooka Bean detangling. And I'm actually going to blow dry her hair, but I'm not going to show you that part. I was trying not to make the video too long, but I did want to show you the important parts. The color did stay in. Majority of the color stayed in. And like I said, it's a little lighter than it looked when you put it in. So there you have it. We have our rainbow hair, our unicorn hair, and it worked. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and click on the notification button for more videos. Thank you so much.